Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. Today let's do a simple jump rope workout, which is going to be 40 seconds of jumping, 20 seconds of rest and 10 rounds of that. 40 seconds of jumping and 20 seconds of rest. So around 10 minutes of jumping. Let us see how many jumps we cover, how many calories we burn and how we feel about it. Okay, so I'll be using the feature in the CrossRope app called Rounds, where you can design your own workout in terms of the workout duration, that is the jump duration, the rest duration and the number of rounds you want to do. And you can have different blocks also. For example, in the first block you can use a quarter pound, second block you can use a different rope, third block you can use a different rope, or you can use these blocks for mixing up the workouts or different jump rope routines also. So enough of talking, let's get into the jump. For the first maybe 1 or 2 sets, I'll share the screen of the CrossRope app. After that, it will just be me jumping without the screen recording on the screen, because I need to save the space on my memory on my phone also. So I've already designed the round. I'll go to say continue, and then I will press the button to start. But before that, let me start the screen recording. Screen recording has started, and here I'll keep the phone here. Start.
Next up,
it gives us a 10-second timer for us to get ready to start. 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Basic jump. Next up, rest.
40 seconds done.
Then, basic jump.
20 seconds rest. After that, we'll start our second set.
Next up, basic jump.
This is how the screen looks. Start.
Basic jump.
Pretty windy evening today. Nothing fancy.
Next up,
I'm just maintaining a good rhythm.
rest.
2 sets done,
Then, basic jump.
followed by a 20-second rest. I'll stop the screen recording now.
Next up, basic jump.
Going into the third set. Ready. Three sets done, 7 more to go. I would say this is a low intensity or bordering medium intensity workout. Anybody can do it. So give it a try. Fourth set. 4 sets done. This is usually my workout routine in the evening, so I thought I'll record it and post it. Getting ready for the 5th set. Go. I had recently posted a video on can we jump rope daily. Did you see that video? In case you haven't seen it, check it out, and it would be nice to hear your feedback on that topic. So how many sets done? Yeah, 5 of 10 sets done. 5 more to go. Three, 2, 1, go. Six sets done. I have a slight discomfort on my left feet. I don't know what. It's a kind of a nagging pain. Nothing serious, but it just seems to keep coming back now and then. I don't know what it is. In fact, I took a break yesterday. Last month in July, I had taken every Wednesday in the week as a break from workouts. This month, I have been taking Thursdays off. Seven done. By the way, I don't know if I told you in the beginning of the video, this is a 1/4 pound rope, a weighted rope, but not very heavy. At the same time, absolutely not light at all. I like this rope. Starting our 8th set. The beauty about these timed jump rope workouts is the sets fly, the time flies, and you log in your jumps. If you generally start without a what you call time boundary, sometimes jump rope can get a bit boring, the monotony. So if it's a timed workout, it goes off very quickly. See, we're almost done with the 8th set now. Yes, 8 done. Set number 9 and set 10 is left. We are on the 20-second rest countdown timer. 3, 2, 1, go. 9th set. Very windy. I don't know if my mic is catching it. I'll be able to see it only once I look at the video which has been shot. I hope the audio is clear. Eight sets done. And because of the wind, the sound the rope makes while it is cutting through the air is also very different. I hope the mic is catching that sound. There's somebody who's walking past the building. I hope that audio doesn't come in. 3, 2, 1, go. Last set. So recollect, this was a 40-second jump, 20-second rest into 10 sets. Simple jump rope workout. Anybody can do it, everyone can do it. Give it a try. And would be nice to hear your feedback if you're trying it for the first time. We're almost done with the last set. We finished it, and then the amp is saying something. I didn't get my glasses down, so I'll strain myself and read. The amp says you crushed your targets. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, and it's rewarding me something. Okay, so in this very short workout we did 919 jumps, which lasted 9 minutes and 50 seconds. Our average heart rate was 122, which is good. Lower the heart rate, the better it is. And we burnt 91 calories. So that's it, friends. I hope you liked the video. Do leave your comments, questions, feedback in the comment section. It will be a pleasure to read and reply to you. Till I see you in the next video, enjoy your jumps. Take care. Bye-bye.